There's some fighting going on. See it?
Yeah, so trying to figure out why these bees are kind of robbing the bottom of this pink hive. I'm thinking the sugar syrup is dripping all the way through, but that shouldn't be the case. Tina's pulling this out to see what we got here. So there's bees on there. Is there liquid on there? Pull it over in the sun.
No, it looks dry.
Okay. So, and then there's some dead ones in here. So
There's some fighting. Did you see that?
yeah. I mean, we'll go in there and take a look, see what's going on.
Oh, there's a yellow jacket. There's a yellow jacket in there. See him?
Yep.
And
well,
he's
not in the hive, so put it back in there.
He's on a drop of, there's a drop of honey there, or whatever, nectar.
Yeah.
Or sugar water.
I say put it back in there. We'll, we'll.
Should we knock him off?
It doesn't matter. He'll be right back in a minute. Yeah, we'll go into pink first and see what's going on with that. I mean, today we're obviously checking underneath the hive here, figure out what's going on. Seem to be robbing there. Also want to put some super DFM in there. This is the last opportunity to do it. So we'll go ahead and get in the hive and do that. So that's why they're all on here, because it's leaking through. I can see it on the tops of the frames here. Okay. You can see it puddled right there. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of bees here because all that's leaking down there.
Oh, you just poured it down there. It's all poured down the front entrance now.
Well, they'll clean it up best they can.
Yeah, they're gobbling it.
I'm looking for beetles. I don't see any small hive beetles, which is good. These are on the super frame here, so let's take a look, see if we have any beetles in here. Nope. They built some comb around this. That's kind of cool. See that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's no beetles in there.
No beetles in there, but I don't think we really had that many beetles in here to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm going to save this one and we'll put that back in. Off of there. Are you stuck?
John, there's not a queen excluder on here, right?
A what?
The queen excluder's not on here.
No. You can't, it's too late to do that because
Yeah.
you don't want her to get stuck down underneath while they move up, if they move up. Let's check this other. Not a one. So again, we'll save this and save this beetle trap, put it back in. So there are a lot of bees up in here. I think we need to at least take a look at maybe a couple of these frames up top, see what they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a lot of resource in here. This was the one that was full of resources that we took out of the fridge. You know, I'm okay because I can see that they're backfilling the spots that were basically just empty comb with that syrup.
Yeah.
So I think we'll just call this done.
Oh my gosh, man, that looks great.
Yeah.
Do you need to lift those up?
I just want to take a look to see what's going on
Okay,
there.
where are you going with that guy? Right here?
Yeah,
On the
right
lid?
here. I'm going to put this over the top.
That looks good. I'm building it out.
Okay.
Okay, that's a lot of honey. Looks like they got into it a little bit. Oh, she could be on this frame. Because there's... Well,
Yeah, so I don't...
there's a lot of hatched. This is a lot of new bees, don't you think?
Yeah, these are probably winter bees. So...
I mean, the frames are just packed. Packed with bees.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I don't know if we're starting...
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Let's close it up.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we got bees. They got...
Like a lot of bees. Looks great.
Looks like there's enough resources here too.
No hive beetles in the traps.
Yeah, I don't see any running around on the frames either. Propolis is kind of sticky right now.
Yeah.
I think that, well, I mean, you can see that they, on the inside here, they kind of built some up against this wall here. So I think when I pull it out,
Oh, yeah, look at them all.
I don't think they've opened it to eat it. I think I kind of...
Oh, pulled it away. Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll clean it up.
Yeah. So I'm back in there. Call it a day for pink. Pink looks pretty good. This is a probiotic. put that there for now. Then we'll figure out how we're going to feed that.
Yeah.
Yep, so we'll get into blue now. I don't see any beetles. So this one here was pretty empty. So I was just hoping that there's no beetles in there. I was hoping this stronger hive would fill it up better than pink. Old blue here has always been stronger. There's one beetle in there.
Got a little bee on the. There you go.
What's that?
Little bee was on the GoPro, hanging out.
Yeah, I do kind of want to see what they're doing with this one here, because this one needed some help to be filled up. So hence, put it on the blue hive that was stronger, that hopefully would be able to do that. We start feeding 2 to 1. Hopefully they start packing it in. Looks like it's kind of what they're doing.
Yeah, it's exactly what. There's a lot of.
They built out some comb here too. That wasn't like that.
Oh yeah, they're doing their thing.
Yeah, this area here. I think they built all of this little area out.
It's beautiful. It's like perfect.
Yeah. So this last one here, I don't think there's anything on this one.
Yeah. They'll get to it.
Yeah, there's nothing on there. So they're definitely doing what we expected them to do. Look at that there. That's all.
Wow. Yeah. You comb.
Well, they're filling that up with that 2 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Got one more frame here, and then it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, they're almost finished filling that up. I see.
Okay, I'm satisfied
Okay.
with the super here. I think they're, like I said, they're filling it in. I think we still got time to put 2 to 1 on here again.
Before a candy board.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting look under there.
It's spicy. Wow. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, that is some
Whoa.
nice food.
Whoa. It's getting very spicy right now.
Yep. We'll be quick. I'm gonna take a look more in the middle here.
It's around here, the smoke comes.
What's that?
The smoke, like in the air here. No?
All right, let's see. Oh, be careful, we're in the middle here, so we could see the queen. There's a lot of bees on here. Oh, then there's some brood. Okay.
Yeah. I'm getting bumped. Oh, there's pollen. Hold on, go back up. Okay. Yeah, I think we're all my friends gathered around.
All right, girls, look out. Yeah, sorry. Sorry for anybody that was caught up in there. Okay, let me put this back on. Oh, shit. Beetle traps. And we're just gonna close it up for now.
Yeah.
That's it. We figured out why they're doing that. This was for some reason just coming out quicker than they were consuming it somehow. So we'll figure that out. We're going to fill it up because they're both empty now anyways. They should probably have a little bit more. And that's it. This will probably be the last time we get in there.